Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install iPhone 16 UI with iOS 18 and also customization in Redmi Note 13. So for this feature guys, first of all, go to Play Store as we are using a third-party application and then click to search. After that, search for iOS 18. By the way, this is the launcher here, launcher iOS 18. Just install this application and then after installing, click to open. So the interface look like this. Now allow the permission and that's it. How it's look like. Now just go back and if you want to enable this feature, all you guys have to do just go to launcher iOS 18 and then click to. So guys, if you want control center first, all you guys have to do is install this application control center iOS 15. This is a separate application for control center. Now click to open and then allow control center for permission. Go back and this is how it's we can set the size also, but we don't want to set it right now. So for launcher iOS, just go here and then okay. So for launcher iOS, just go to make default launcher. This application contains some ads as it is a free application, guys. Okay, now just skip the ad and then click to OK. As you see, we have these two default home apps. So just click to launcher iOS 18 and then click to remember my choice. Again, click to launcher iOS 18. Then click to OK and then click to turn on if you want to turn on the location. Then got it. So this is how we can set launcher iOS 18 in Redmi Note 13. And guys, for control center, you can go for control center iOS 15 application. So that's it about the video. If this video helped you guys, kindly like the video and follow us for more tips and tricks. See you guys in next video. Take care.